Hello everyone, Nalab here. Today I'm just going to be demonstrating how you can make something like this. If you don't want to make something like this, how about I teach you how to use the underscore draw function, which is probably the least talked about function in the entire Godot game engine, but probably the coolest one, and it might help you out in your future projects. Anyway, let's get right into this. I actually got the inspiration of this project by looking at a bunch of, I've been doing a lot of trig homework lately, and I was like, why don't I just make one of these cool, just like a cool animation of the tangent of a point on the circle, right? So that's all I wanted to do, and I made that in the Godot game engine using the underscore draw function. If you've never heard of it, it basically allows you to draw shapes to the frame. So you can see how that it actually prints out stuff, but it can also draw stuff. And if we go over here to the underscore draw, it's a function which can draw stuff to the canvas item. And we can draw arcs, we can draw characters, circles, right? But I'm just going to give like a little bit of like an advertisement, if you want to call it, but just a little introduction to it. So we can draw stuff to it, and we can pass in arguments based on what is already defined. So we have a draw circle here. It takes in a position, radius, and a color. And we can just go over here. So we put in a position, which is going to be a vector2.0. We put in a radius, which is going to be 100 pixels, and then we put color dot Rebecca purple. If you're wondering where I got the color from, I just did color dot, and I was like, whoa, that's a lot of colors, and I was just scrolling through it, and I saw the longest one, and I clicked it. Anyway, we can see that we can interact with nodes in our scene tree with the underscore draw function, and over here we just have a line 2D, which is going to draw a straight line from the center of the circle to a point on the edge of the circle, right? That's all we're going to be doing with that line, and we can see we can interact with it. And just a little bit of code over here which shows that I can use line 2Ds outside of the draw function. And yeah, that's all this video is. Just an introduction to the draw function. And if I think of anything cool, or if you guys think of anything cool, make sure you make your own videos. And I'll certainly be making more videos on the draw function, because there's quite a lot of things you can do here that I haven't seen a lot of people been talking about. So yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. Have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching.